Magandang morning sa inyo lahat, mga kabaliwan! Since I was a kid, until now, I love anything about medieval knights, Vikings, samurais, swords, spears, axe, bow and arrows, stories about castles, and chivalries, and many more. Here in the Philippines, we have our fictional hero, my favorite hero, whom we called Ang Panday, or in English meaning the blacksmith, where he fights supernatural evil beings and forge himself a magical sword from a meteoroid. So what is the connection of that to what I'm going to do now? Well, if I have an anvil, I can forge myself my own blades or tools. Well, of course, they're not magical. Okay? So I asked some anvil sellers online, and anvils are so expensive. So I decided to make me my own basic starter or beginner's meat anvil. So I went to our local junk shop and found this dump truck part, and it is so heavy and pure solid steel. And also found some scrap steel plate lying around. So he sold me the items for a very cheap price. And for those who are still new to this channel, hi, I am Aries Arriesgado, and my passion is challenging myself by making different projects and showing you how I do it. So please, do not forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification button for more updates. Remember, it's one day or day one. You decide. Let's do it now! Anvil build! Hold it right there. So I spent so many hours and so many cutting discs, and I still could not cut this in proper shape because it is so hard and it is so thick. And so I think I need to visit our local machine shop and ask them to cut this for me. So the problem here is that the machine operator refused to take the job because the steel is so hard and their drill bits might not take it. So then, I proceed to my second option, is to look for a torch guy. Luckily, I just found one. So this is the next stage. This will be the horn. So I'm going to clean this area here, and of course, this part here. And because I wasted so many hours every day just to finish this hole, so I think I need to go back to the torch guy just to make things easier for me and finish this anvil. So the hole that I made is a little bit off compared to the two. So we're going to file it again just to straighten everything just a bit. So this is the base of the anvil. I decided to use straight lines instead of putting some curved lines, just to make my work much more easier for me. So I decided to go on with this design. Oh my goodness! So guys, this is my anvil, and it's blocky and rugged looking, but hey, it's my anvil. This will serve me for so many projects to come. And for those who enjoyed watching the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Next will be the forge. Then it's hammer time! Thank you for watching.